Hey there, welcome to our quick guide on troubleshooting NameDrop, the latest sharing sensation from iOS 17. If you're hitting a wall with this nifty feature, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the top 8 fixes to get NameDrop back on track in no time. Stay tuned. Part 1. Why is NameDrop not working? Incompatible devices. AirDrop disabled. Devices too far apart. Bluetooth or Wi-Fi disabled. Focus or do not disturb mode. Low power mode. Software bugs. Parental controls or restrictions. Interference from phone cases. Part 2. How to use NameDrop correctly. Enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and AirDrop. Unlock and touch iPhones. Select contacts on NameDrop for sharing. Glow shows connection. Tap Share to send or receive only to get contacts. Part 3. How to fix NameDrop not working in 8 ways. Solution 1. Enable AirDrop, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Solution 2. Verify iPhone compatibility. Solution 3. Disable low power mode. Solution 4. Disable VPN. Solution 5. Resign into your Apple account. Solution 6. Reset network settings. Solution 7. Restart both devices. Solution 8. Downgrade iOS. Part 4. What to do if NameDrop still doesn't work. Try a better alternative. In the event that the aforementioned methods do not yield successful results, or if you prefer a seamless data transfer to a new iPhone 16 without complications, Mobican Transfer for mobile is worth considering. Step 1. Initiate the process by downloading, installing, and launching the relevant software on your computer. Following this, connect both iPhones to the computer via USB. To create a connection between the devices, you may need to select Trust and then Continue when prompted by the software. Step 2. After the devices are detected, ensure that the source iPhone is displayed on the left side of the interface while the target device appears on the right. If the arrangement is not as required, please click on Flip to rearrange their positions accordingly. Step 3. The main interface will showcase all the types of data available for transfer. To continue, select the desired data types for migration and click on Start Copy to commence the transfer right now.